Good morning and welcome back to another video for iHeartHSV. I'm Katie and I'm here with my mom and her dog Casey. Say hi, Casey. And we are here on the land trust property on Montesano, and we are going to hike the old railroad bed trail. So it's a beautiful morning for it. It hasn't gotten too hot yet, so let's hit the trail. So this trail follows the old railroad path that the steam engine took from the Huntsville depot up to the Montesano Hotel. The hotel wasn't open for very long, but the train ran from 1888 to 1896, so that's just the trail that we're following now. Day now, as you can see, I have changed and I've come to 3 Caves, which is a property on the land trust land that there's a concert at tonight, and it's the Muscle Shoals Review featuring the Swampers. So we're really excited to have such a cultural icon performing on the land trust property. So we're really excited about that. There's tons of food trucks, some beer and wine with sodas and water. So I am excited, and plus being right here next to the caves, it's a lot cooler than it is in the sun. So that's good. Okay, home now. That was such a wonderful night. The concert was amazing. It was so fun to see all of those historic musicians up there on stage performing. It was incredible. They were so good. If you haven't seen the Muscle Shoals documentary, you need to go watch it. It's on Netflix and it is so, so good. So big thank you to the Land Trust for making this all happen. I had the best time tonight. And if you want to see more content like this, if you want to know more about what there is to do and see in Huntsville, go check out iHeartHSV.com. There's tons of blog posts and videos from me on there, so I promise comments, you'll find what you're looking for. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.